If magsisimula ulit ako sa zero as a freelance funnel designer, ito yung mga bagay na never ko nang gagawin. Number one, yung mag-aksaya ng oras trying to learn everything sa YouTube. Helpful siya, yes, pero scattered at sobrang bagal ng progress. Syempre, gusto ko yung matuto ako agad, di ba, para magka-client. Mas mabilis pa rin talaga pag merong guide. Number two, I won't accept every client just for the money. Especially yung mga red flag clients. Alam ko, kailangan natin ng pera, pero minsan kasi yung stress na dala ng wrong client, mas mahal pa kaysa dun sa binayad nila. Tapos yung ibang client, sasabihin, my budget is too tight. Pero gusto, Hollywood quality. Life is too short for toxic clients, guys. So choose projects and clients that make sense for you. Number three, I won't hide behind my laptop. Dati ang mindset ko, sige, basta marunong ako, clients will find me. Nope. You need to show up, build your brand, and let people know you exist. And then lastly, I won't wait until everything is perfect. Kasi habang naghihintay ka maging perfect, yung iba nakakauna na. Kaya kung nag-start ka pa lang or nasa starting point ka pa lang ngayon, take note of this. Huwag mo nang daanan yung mga mistakes na dinaanan ko. Gawin mo yung mas mabilis na path. Follow me for more tips.